Hello friends, I'm Preeti and welcome to our channel Crazy for DIY. Most of you must have surely heard about dream catchers, but I bet there's a lot about them that you probably don't know. So as you must have already guessed, this one is a tutorial on how to make a dream catcher. But before that, I would like to share the use and purpose of this beautiful thing. For tutorial, you can skip this part of the video and move straight to the time flashing here. People mostly use them for decoration today, but dream catchers have a long history among Native Americans. The belief is that the night air is filled with dreams, both good and bad. Good dreams are clear and know the way to the dreamer descending to the feathers. So the slightest movement of the feather indicates the passage of yet another beautiful dream. Bad dreams, however, are confused and hence cannot find their way through the web and are trapped there until the sun rises and evaporates them like the morning dew. The dream catcher is also considered a strong symbol of positivity, power, protection and strength. Intense, no? So let's learn making one. So to make a dream catcher, we'll require a ring which can be of any size and material, colorful yarns. We are making this one in green and yellow. You can choose the colors as per your wish. Then matching feathers, some pearls or crystals and a fabric glue. Now first we have taken a green yarn and made a small roll like this for the convenience of using it. Now we take the ring and with the yarn we'll start covering the ring. First apply the glue to the ring and attach the yarn to it. Always apply the glue in the inner part of the ring to keep it neat. And then we rotate the yarn around the ring till we cover the entire circumference. Make sure to keep it as tight as possible. And when we reach the end, we need to tie the knot like this. We'll take out the yarn through this loop and pull the yarn in the correct position. And then we'll cover the remaining ring and secure the end with the glue. We'll again tie one last knot. And then secure the knot by applying the glue over it, just to be safe that the knot doesn't open after we cut the yarn. Now our ring is ready. Now with the yellow yarn we are making the web. I have again made a small roll of the yarn for convenience. We'll start by tying a tight knot. And rotate it to the inner side of the ring. Secure the knot with the glue and we start weaving. We'll make a loop like this and bring the yarn from within the loop. And continue this in equal distance. Make sure to pull the yarn tightly every time. And continue till the end. Now for the second round, we put the yarn through the loop formed in the first round, like this. And pull it out from within this loop. Make sure to tie it in the middle of the line every time and as tight as possible. And we keep repeating. In through the loop and out. Bring to the center. Pull tightly and repeat. And we complete the second round. Now we repeat the same process. We'll put the yarn through the loop of the previous round, that is this triangle. And pull out from within, bring it to the center, pull tightly and repeat the same. Now this round is over and we continue the next round similarly. All we need to do is pass the yarn through the loop of previous round. We just need to focus on the triangle in which we need to continue further. And keep continuing. Now we'll weave the next round similarly. And keep continuing till you are left with a small hole in the middle. Now we'll attach a pearl in the center. Insert the pearl through the yarn Now put the yarn through the hole on the opposite side of this knot and then tie a final knot in the back like this, and then secure the knot with the glue and cut the extra wool. This is done. Now we'll make random bunches of green and yellow feathers and tie them with the yarn like this. We'll make more bunches similarly. So our bunches are ready, 3 for the middle and 2 each for the sides. Now we'll prepare the feather hanging for the middle. Tie all the 3 bunches in one, like so. So this hanging is ready. Now we'll prepare the bunches for both sides. And they are ready. Now all we need to do is put in through some pearls or crystals like such. And we'll tie the hanging in place. Make tight knots. And similarly we tied all the hangings. Now we'll cut off the extras. And the dream catcher is ready. So these dream catchers were traditionally used to protect the sleeping people, usually the children, from bad dreams and nightmares. In today's era, many of us might not believe in such functioning, but anyway they look very beautiful and adorable pieces of room decor. I learned making these from my cousin who also makes customized dream catchers on orders. So let's thank her for sharing this with us, and I'm also mentioning her Instagram account in the description box so you can check more of her designs and work. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for notifications and share my videos with friends and family. Because knowledge shared is knowledge gained. See you guys next week, and till then, do it yourself. For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos, and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Crazy for DIY.